Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In this video we will talk about business ideas for OFW and seafarers in the year 2022. Pandemic strikes the lives of everyone. The health sector became aggressive and so busy in controlling and fighting the lives of affected patients. Some stay at home for the mandatory protocol of the government that causes a high percentage of job loss and closure of businesses. Filipinos find their ways and means to sustain their needs for their family. Here are the best ideas that you can choose. Water business. We cannot live without water, so it is a good business to have. You can have purifying and refilling stations having a nice logo and design to make them distinct from others. Agro business. Pandemic makes everyone stay where they are. Those people in the province usually engaged in traditional rice, vegetable farming, tilapia, and Bangus breeding. It is a good venture that requires more time and higher profit if proper strategies are utilized. Before we proceed to the main part of this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell below so that you will be notified to all of my videos. Computer shop. Pandemic also hit the educational sector. Everyone stays at home, especially minor. Students attend online schooling through their cell phones and computers. Computer shop helps a lot of students. Only 18 years old and above can go to the computer shop that follows the government mandatory protocol of social distancing. Fashion. Selling of clothes, shoes, and accessories is one of a good choice. It caters to any age, gender, and any type of people depending on your target market. It has no expiration, but make sure you know the trending fashion style. You can have your clothing line, create accessories and shoe lines.